Hey dear, today I'll show you how to have only one name on Facebook. It sometimes vary on which country you live in. So let's see how you can do it. First, open your Facebook app from your device, and from the then select your profile icon from here. Now go to your settings and privacy. Then from here and then tap on the gear icon from the top right corner. From here see more in account center. Then from here now tap on your profiles, and now tap on your name here. Now select name here. Then you will see your name. Now uh, you can change your name here. For example, I'm trying deleting my middle name and last name, and you will see here uh, review change can doesn't work because it depends on country. I'm putting a space, and I'm trying to now select review change here. And then this is a limit for how short first name or surnames can be on Facebook. So if it doesn't work, we will try another way. From we Then we will open Google, and we will search for Facebook name help. Then we will scroll down, and we will go to Facebook help center from here. um, from here you will see an instruction to changing your name, and how to change your name on Facebook, how you can add another name to your Facebook account. For example, I'm selecting this one, and you will see an instructions here. Follow these instructions, and you can save the changes. You can make changes from the Facebook, and that's how you can change names on Facebook.